The Oppo Reno 13 Pro is a premium mid-range smartphone that strikes a balance between design, performance, and innovative features, making it a solid option for 2025. The device boasts a sleek, modern design with a glass back and slim profile, exuding a premium feel. It features a 6.7-inch AMOLED display with full HD Plus resolution, delivering sharp visuals, vibrant colors, and a 120Hz refresh rate for smooth interactions, perfect for both media consumption and gaming. The high brightness levels also ensure clear visibility in outdoor environments, enhancing the overall user experience. Under the hood, the Reno 13 Pro is powered by a powerful MediaTek Dimensity 1200 5G chipset, or similar, depending on the region, which offers excellent performance for multitasking, gaming, and productivity. This is paired with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, alongside up to 256GB of internal storage, ensuring smooth operation even with heavy apps or multiple tasks running in the background. While there is no microSD card slot for expandable storage, the base storage options are generous for most users. The camera system is one of the standout features of the Reno 13 Pro. It comes with a 50MP Sony IMX766 primary sensor, which performs exceptionally well in low-light conditions, alongside an 8MP ultra-wide sensor and a 2MP macro lens. This setup allows for a versatile photography experience, with sharp, detailed images across a variety of lighting conditions. On the front, the 32MP selfie camera captures vibrant and detailed photos, ideal for selfies and video calls. The camera also benefits from Oppo's AI enhancements, ensuring better photo processing and more natural-looking portraits. In terms of battery life, the Reno 13 Pro is equipped with a 4,500 mAh battery, which provides all-day usage with moderate use. One of the standout features is the 65W SuperVOOC fast charging, which can charge the device to 100% in about 30 minutes, making it incredibly convenient for users who need quick power-ups during the day. The device also supports 5G connectivity, future-proofing it for faster data speeds in areas with 5G coverage. On the software front, the Reno 13 Pro runs on ColorOS, Oppo's custom Android-based skin, which offers a smooth, user-friendly interface with various customization options. Features like dark mode, improved privacy options, and enhanced gaming modes make the experience more enjoyable, especially for power users. Oppo's regular software updates also help keep the device secure and running smoothly. Overall, the Oppo Reno 13 Pro provides an attractive mix of powerful performance, great camera quality, fast charging, and 5G connectivity. While it may not be a flagship device, its well-rounded feature set, premium build, and competitive pricing make it a strong contender in the mid-range segment in 2025. Whether you're a photography enthusiast, a gamer, or simply need a solid all-around device, the Reno 13 Pro is a great option to consider.